Yuyuan is a traditional delicacy in Luodian, a 700-year-old town in Baoshan district. It's usually found on every Luodian resident's table during the holiday season or at weddings. It was listed as district-level intangible cultural heritage in 2017.
半年也是姑娘这个要忙很久啊。
一个个小院做出来都不容易的，就是我们中国的年味。
Today I'm visiting with Mr. Zhou Lianghua, a man who has been making Yuyuan for almost 6 decades. We're doing some food prep right now, so I've got my mask on and I've washed my paws. And Mr. Zhou here is going to teach me a little bit about this fish jam. Now, he's got a 5-kilogram fish that he bought yesterday. He's pureed it. He's added some lard, he's added some ginger, spring onion heads, and some salt as well, and turned it into a jam, which he's then going to fuse into the little fish balls. 周老师，可以教我怎么做一个芋圆？
好的，这个手里有这个度了，压紧一点就它标出来了，标出来不讲
Okay, so 可以试试看吗？
啊是。
You grab a bunch of this fish jam here that he's made, and you run your thumb over, and then you squeeze, and it makes a nice little ball. You pull it out with the spoon like this, and then you sit it in the water. 在一天的工作，你可以做几个那个？
好做100多斤，现在这个里边是7斤。
那你做的芋圆有什么特色的？
这个炉店芋圆，吃上去有光滑了，这个像豆腐一样的。这个里边呢，没有什么淀粉啊、味精啊，
没有 gluten free. You hear that? Gluten free fish balls. I helped Mr. Zhou prepare about 3 kilograms of fish balls. Now, normally these guys will actually do 50 to 60 kilograms in one day. They're absolute machines when it comes to this stuff. So now we're going to boil these up and have a little bit of a taste test. Well, it's been about 5 minutes and the fish balls are ready, so we're going to have a little taste test and see how these suckers turned out.
谢谢。
好吃啊 Very savory. You can really taste the ginger and the spring onion heads. 那为什么中国人很喜欢吃那个芋圆在春节？
这我们这个每年到你要春节的时候，人家都是外地打工回来了，跟我是一家人就在家里了，对吧？团团圆圆的，这个就是这个道理，年年有余啊。
Well, Master Joe has just taught me that people really like to have these Luodian fish balls during the New Year's Eve for Chinese Spring Festival. In fact, it's a traditional thing, so everybody goes out for these things in this part of town on New Year's Eve. So, bon appetit and Happy New Year, everyone.